This isn't a lab test. This is the real world. To find the best radar detector for 2026, we did what no other channel would dare. We partnered with a retired traffic officer, equipped real patrol cars with the latest radar and Lidar guns, and hit the highway. We tested range against instant-on. We tested false alerts in the city. We pushed every top model to its absolute limit. What we discovered will change how you drive forever. One detector didn't just win, it redefined the game. Number 1. Escort Redline 360C Plug. The Redline 360C Escort radar detector offers an impressive range that is 2 times longer compared to its predecessor, the Redline EX. This enhanced range ensures that you have a comprehensive view of your surroundings, allowing you to be aware of what lies ahead, behind, and on all sides. The device is powered by a robust processor that delivers an exceptional speed, 25 times faster than the Redline EX. This results in quicker alerts, helping you stay informed on the road more efficiently than ever before. One of the standout features of the Redline 360C is its AI-assisted filtering, which utilizes advanced technologies such as GPS auto-learn, an updatable IVT filter, and connection to the Drive Smarter network. This combination significantly enhances the detector's accuracy, effectively minimizing false alerts and ensuring that you can easily discern genuine threats from harmless signals. The device boasts 360-degree protection, providing comprehensive awareness of your environment. Number 2. Uniden R8 Extreme Long Range. The R8 is an innovative radar detector that features an all-new platform designed to offer unparalleled range and sensitivity. One of its standout features is the dual antenna system, which enhances its ability to detect threats from all 4 directions. This means that whether a radar signal is coming from the front, back, left, or right, the R8 is equipped to alert you accordingly. It provides voice alerts that indicate the direction of the threat, allowing for a more informed driving experience. Additionally, the device displays the band and signal strength for each detected threat, making it easier for users to assess the level of risk they may be facing on the road. This combination of features greatly enhances driver awareness and safety. Incorporating advanced GPS technology, the R8 is equipped with an auto-mute memory function that can remember false alerts, such as those triggered by retail store doors along your typical routes. Number 3. Uniden R8W, New Model, Extreme Long Range Laser, Radar Detector. The R8W is Uniden's flagship product. It's simply our best portable, windshield mount radar, laser detector. Built on the same platform that inspired the R8. Featuring extreme long-range performance, dual blackfin DSPs, digital signal processor, for 50% faster performance and accuracy, and dual antennas gives you full 360 degrees radar directional awareness, voice alerts and visual arrows on a large OLED display. Also, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, RTACH app support, and our speed and red light database, and more. Also, the R8W features auto-learn, which greatly reduces false alerts over time, giving you the quietest ride. Our exclusive proprietary technology, the R8W number 1 feature, is unparalleled performance. Perfect just got better. Number 4. Escort Max 360C Laser Radar Detector. The first of radar detectors for cars designed for the connected car. The Max 360C updates through the onboard Wi-Fi connection, alerting you to the latest ticket threats in real time, compatible with iPhone and Android devices. 360-degree protection, forward and rear-facing antennas pinpoint threats around your entire vehicle, and alert you with on-screen arrows displaying the direction of the threat relative to your location. Auto-learn technology, radar detection customized to your driving style, GPS intelligence, IVT filtering, and auto-sensitivity come together to eliminate false alerts by learning your route and varying sensitivity with your vehicle speed. Exclusive shared alerts. Connect to the Drive Smarter community to get live alerts from other drivers across the country. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, you can view your route and interact with alerts on your vehicle's display. Number 5. Valentine 1V1 Gen 2 Radar Detector. V1 Gen 2 is an entirely new security instrument that outperforms by a clear margin even the most highly evolved version of V1. Inside the all-new magnesium case is an all-new, and patented, radar-seeking engine adapted from a concept used by military chirp radars to find fainter targets farther away with higher precision. Ka-band range is impressively better in V1 Gen 2. K-band range is also improved. Our new SOAR, D2L and LNA technologies enable this substantial range increase over traditional V1 while also providing a breakthrough in stealth. What's included? Valentine 1 Gen 2 radar detector, quick start guide, windshield mount, visor mount, power cord, coiled, 2 feet stretches to 8-foot power cord, straight, 8-foot lighter adapter, direct wire adapter, wiring harness connector, spare fuse, spare suction cups. V1 Gen 2 introduces K-verifier technology to improve resistance to blind spot detection systems in new cars and to reduce false alarms from automatic store door openers. Built-in Bluetooth 5.0 enables a wireless connection to your Apple or Android smartphones and tablets. Our free app, V1 Connection, the app, will run on your device, giving you a revolutionary new way of analyzing the live stream of threat information flowing from V1 Gen 2. Performing life-saving tools for 2026. Every direct purchase link is waiting for you in the description below. If this real-world, high-stakes testing gave you the clarity you needed, hit that like button. It's crucial for our independent testing. Share this responsibly with your fellow drivers. And subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're exposing the new speed trap technology rolling out nationwide. Stay alert.